is Christina and welcome to Chrissy's Corner.
So we're whipping our butter with our caster sugar. As you can see, it's airy and fluffy. So we're going to put a little bit of flour. No, pour it in. A little bit at a time. Go, bit more.
Give it to her.
Okay, now wait a bit.
You can pour the rest of that.
Some jasmine. Yep, pour a little bit at a time. What are you laughing at?
Stop it.
I can hear you. I can see you. Try and like get it out, mate. Thank you.
I thought you had like a little piece. I was giving it to you.
Why is less?
Yeah, no, then we're going to put it there. Do you want to get some of baby?
What?
You want to get some of that flour and put it on the bench? Make it like a square. Yeah, like that.
I'll put it in a square.
Please let's not fight girls this Christmas.
It's funny because it's cooking.
Alright, this is going to be the fun part.
This is how you do it. Powder. I swear.
Oh my god.
Mom. I try not to get your ugly hair.
Okay, here we go. Share it.
It's beautiful. Yes.
Yeah, and now put it in here. You're going to roll. I'll roll it.
I'm gonna roll it.
Can you roll it? Roll it in there.
Like just put it together.
Yeah, roll it.
Don't stick to it.
It's alright. You've got to roll it.
So what do you have there? Is that the cookie dough?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the sugar cookie dough.
Father, Christmas is the cookie dough.
Okay, now roll it into a ball.
Ball, eh?
Yeah,
You're
roll
trying to rip this one.
It's alright. Keep playing with it until it becomes dough.
Don't.
Yeah, I'll do this little bit here.
Does this count as a ball for the top?
No,
It fell apart.
it's alright, that's how it is.
Can we get some more?
It's the texture of it. No, it's got enough. You've got to keep rolling it.
Mixing.
Yeah.
Mixing.
See
Kneading.
how mine is getting a bit harder? Yeah.
Here, take some of this.
Okay, thank you.
Take some.
Okay.
I'll take all of this. Because I just had so much. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Jazz, would you like to help in anything?
Just see my face.
No. So
Okay, then
come
we've
get
got to
some.
leave it to set for a bit.
Make a ball, Jasmine. Make a ball.
And then you can come back and cut it.
No, this is mine. You make that. I gave you the less.
Just move that bowl, Joe, so I can see.
Jacqueline. Her name's. I call her Mum, but people call her Jack. We should all just call her Mum. Her name is now Mum.
Here. See how mine is? Look how
Help
mine is.
me.
Why does it crumble?
Because it's sugar cookie.
I did one.
So
Does it?
Can I
does
do
it matter?
multiple or do I have to
Yeah,
do
that's
one
it.
big one?
you can do, it doesn't matter. You can roll them out.
Just ask me.
Okay.
I feel like an artist just like chuck the colours on it.
Alright, and then we'll wait it. Then we'll wait a bit and then we'll roll them out.
Never.
That's good.
Alright.
Figure
Did
out-
you eat it?
Did you eat it?
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Even if there's no raw
You
egg.
can eat it, there's no raw egg in it.
There's no raw egg.
So
there's
that's
no
it, you
raw
just
egg.
leave it now and wait for a while?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll come back soon, I guess.
Yes, see you guys. One's done.
Looking at mum over here.
And now we are cutting
Jasmine,
out
help me
some,
get that
like,
out. Chrissy.
some nice things. Knead it back together. Knead it back together. And
That's a dead man walking, bro.
Yeah. Talk. Tell them what
what did I say?
Look at your dad and tell
Well,
them.
something's gone wrong and it won't mix together, but Mum has mixed hers with mine.
Mom looked the bomb, bro.
Can you help me with the stuff?
She keeps thinking that the candy cane is a J because her name starts with J that looks like a J.
Let's see, bro.
So here's a
I
slide.
killed the
Apparently we don't know what this is, but it's a slide. They're just
What is it?
it's
Oh,
a
it's a
slide.
sleigh, yeah.
We think it's Santa's sleigh.
We think I know.
Oh, you know. Sorry, apologies.
They're just a little dumb, you know.
Vlad, why are you hiding over there? You should be helping.
Come here.
Come over here, boy. Vlad is Jasmine's boyfriend.
They've met Vlad. Remember he helped you?
Oh yeah. That.
Well, they seem to be coming out alright so
Yeah,
far.
they're cooked fine. It's just a bit. Jasmine's dough.
Can I have a bit of it that
No.
will work, please?
Leave it.
It's probably better that Jasmine was working with smaller amounts of dough.
What can I say?
Not much, baby.
I'm just stupid. Yeah, simply not. Pull it apart.
Yeah, there's one for you there.
I made a star.
I'll just go like that and you guys take them.
I made a star.
Good job, baby.
But I didn't have enough dough to make.
So, Chrissy, what kind of cutouts do you have there?
So we have a small star, a medium star, a big star. We have more, but I can't remember.
Oh, I didn't see a thing there.
Candy cane slash a
Show them
J.
properly, Dad didn't see them. I think you've got another special guest about to walk in the door.
J slash candy cane. Bell. No, wait, yeah. This is a bell. I
Yep.
think. Gingerbread, angel, tree, shooting star, and whatever, and another tree mold. And we have another guest named Tasha, my auntie. Come in.
Come in, get over.
Okay, hi.
Get over here and help. Wash your hands before you do anything.
Oh, okay.
Remember, it's cooking class, but it's not germ class.
Yeah, but
Germ class.
My bad. Mom, you're holding all it.
I'm trying to get some cookies out of it, babe.
Same! But you weren't letting me do anything.
Where are you? Yep.
I'll take that.
What are you looking
Pet
for?
towels, mate.
There's towel in it.
I just washed it on my apron here.
They're starting to work alright now, Jack.
Yeah. Well, because it's a sugar cookie, it's going to be crumbly anyway, but I don't know what happened when my half's come out alright, it's just Chrissy's little hands.
Didn't quite put enough pressure.
Yeah.
Help out.
Oh, help with what? Tell me what you need me to do.
You can yeah, can I show you?
Oh no! I can barely help myself at this.
Just help out.
One moment, please. We're experiencing
I made something.
difficulties. You don't eat it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
No
got
more
no egg.
eggs.
Oh, okay. I don't know, I just got this guy. Team just getting here. Maybe it won't
I'll
work.
do black and white again.
Vlad, go help your girlfriend.
Go help your girlfriend or
whatever.
Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand.
You know we're American in this house, right?
We're not American.
Well, you have an American.
Jasmine, you got it down pat there by the look of it.
I was one of
You
the
broke him. You
Yeah.
broke him again. I don't know what I'm doing with this one.
Here, you need some of that.
I'll do it, okay. You just like sprinkling flour.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I think you also needed to.
Alright, I'll put these ones in the oven.
Alright.
So for 16 minutes, they go in the oven.
Yeah.
I want to make some gingerbread. And Dad, you better not say mine's terrible.
Guys, put one on
You're
there.
meant to lie to me, Dad. You're meant to lie to me.
Yeah, Cloven.
Alright, so we're about to put them in the oven.
Yep, 16 minutes or until golden
Can I
brown.
have your
Alright, so then I'll be back for we're going to have a competition in decorating, is that correct?
That is right. Jasmine and Vlad versus Natasha and Christina.
Me and
Wow.
Auntie Tash against Jasmine.
Clearly we've won already.
Jasmine against
Can I
Vlad.
just say?
Yeah.
Can I just say?
We
Pop
can-
down.
It's getting pretty serious.
No, bro, that's cheating.
You know how we
Alright,
win? You know
well-
how we win?
I'll be back when it's decorating
Yeah,
time.
baby, go.
We walk out with what we tickled the Christina.
Okay, so here we have the fondant nicely rolled out. And Jackie's cutting out
No, do I
Have any?
And eating them at the same
to
time.
decorate
I got it today.
our biscuits with.
Noses, you know me, like, how many aunts?
Oh, wait, that one.
Nelly.
Oh, Schweppes.
She's actually the only auntie. She has inspected today. I think
She's still going.
Are you a...
I have one.
You know that he's recording, so watch what you're saying back there.
Oh,
Schweppes.
And here's everyone
Hi.
with the biscuits.
We're gonna decorate. It's the winners team against the loser team. We
we
named
haven't
them.
established it yet, but it's fine.
We're winning.
No.
I've
But
already won.
we're trying not to get cocky so we don't get
Too
held
late.
back.
Nah, it's all good.
Alright,
We've
so
won.
what do you got to decorate with?
I'm gonna decorate with sprinkles and frosting.
Where's the
Color
sprinkles?
frosting.
Where's the sprinkles?
Oh, we have these sprinkles, these, and these.
What are they? Sprinkles of what?
There's candy canes, stars, and
Oh,
stuff
thanks.
like that.
Sprinkles.
There's
and-
fondant and there's icing in every colour and white.
When did we get fun?
Does anybody know if we don't use this what we're
No, I want the J.
I need the jam.
There's two.
Take it, Jay, take it.
Oh, there's two
Yeah,
J's.
you want one?
Oh.
think that's pretty obvious. I'm just gonna use my finger.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, bro.
On
I just smashed down the front, please. I'll choose the
Got Vlad with the steady hand over there.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Don't worry about my side.
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
Oh my god, she's...
Hey, this is the only time I can make a mess and not get in trouble for it.
You reckon?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
I know you're saying that.
I'm watching. I'm watching you fail.
I know you're saying this shit.
I'm watching. Watching
That's
the
what my
fail
sister's
of the
telling me.
century.
This
What do you got
won't
there?
stay.
Show me yours, Chrissy.
It's horrible. I don't want to show it. And these won't stay on.
It's not horrible.
Have you seen
It
it?
could be worse. It could be Jasmine's. Have you seen Jasmine's?
What's wrong with mine?
Everything.
Which one? Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Move to the side. Okay.
This is serious.
Where's green? This is
No,
green.
you know what?
No, that's blue. Good
You don't want no smoke.
Jasmine, you're gonna lose. Assuming you
Jasmine?
accept it.
Jasmine just
I'm coming.
accept it.
Jazzy's Christmas tree is looking pretty good.
Clayton, don't lie to her.
Hey,
copying
that's what I'm
you.
seeing
I'm
so
not
far.
copying you,
She's
bro.
copying my shaking the other day.
Artist!
Vlad's
Chrissy,
candy
don't
cane's
waste
coming up
all that
alright.
on one thing, Baba.
I need it.
She needs it.
I need it.
You say no?
That's a wasting.
It's not. I need it.
That's how we waste.
Oh, mine's fine.
I need to spread it around. There you go. Now it's like,
Hard on feelings, don't do it.
Your
Let
mom's
it down,
always
it's
said.
better
I
down.
don't care. Just tell me, and I already know I
I said
will. So there's
I'll
no
pick the
point.
top three.
That's it. So it's no first thing I do.
I'm top 2.
Bro, I'm gonna lose this though.
I'm top 2, I just want to say. Like, good luck to the rest of you guys, but
Who's the
you'll
top five?
suck.
I'm top two as well.
Where's the...
Look at that, I've done different designs, I've done dots and squiggly
Why do you
lines.
speak like that?
What?
Why are you yelling at me?
Ooh.
Because I'm angry.
Why are you angry?
He's
You know you
He's
lost.
videoing, so can we like keep it PG rated?
You know you lost. Hey, where's my lead?
Hey guys,
This is
we're
worse than playing
decorating.
Monopoly.
This is not good.
This
This
is
is
worse
not
than
family
playing.
bonding.
No.
This is
I think
family
we're going to
war.
lose because
Well, this is our new tradition. We'll be doing this
Oh,
every
there's a
year.
lead.
Where's my lead?
Well, there's a lead there.
Actually, no, I want that.
So Tash, what do you got happening there?
Well, this is my 3rd one.
Yep. So you're doing a pretty good one now, you think, huh?
This is the one that I'm unsure of.
That's a good looking candy cane.
The other 2 I've 100% won. Just this one, I'm having some.
I see some pretty cool stuff on the plate there, I gotta say.
Guess which one's mine? How? I don't even know.
Yeah, Chrissy, yours is very, very full of action.
No, it's not.
Jam-packed.
I'm copying my talent.
Stop lying to me.
Has to be said.
I don't like it.
You're copying
Right,
your dad.
so Vlad and Jasmine are having a bit of a bake off here by the look of it.
There's
Right.
no more gingerbread.
They're getting pretty
wine.
serious with their fondant.
It's alright, now you can.
Jasmine, what are you going to be doing with your little dude there?
I'm gonna make it come to life.
You're going to make it come to life, huh? Well, let's
She's
go.
copying
Let's do it.
yours.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I literally am. He's not in the competition, so I'm just
Look at
Wait,
Vlad's
we're
looking
not
pretty
teammates.
smick.
Why are you
Vlad's got
telling
the angel.
I don't know what I'm doing, I'm straight up.
I'm just ringing it too.
Tash, can I borrow your spoon,
Oh, now we're friends, are we?
I have
There's a lot of warfare going on here, people.
Copying me, but you didn't even something at the bottom of your content.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, man.
You don't need to do that, Jazzy. You can just put it on top and it'll squeeze by itself.
Yeah, and when you push it down, that's it.
So Jazzy's putting on I think. What happened, Vlad? You went a bit wild with the,
Has a bit of an
the flakes
incident.
there. Give me a look.
Just a bit.
Bit of a situation.
How you going, Chrissy?
Oh.
Okay. Just my.
Yeah, so
I'm
here we
gonna
have
have to pick up all.
Vlad, happy with his best piece.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I found mine. Yep.
Jasmine, which one's your one?
My best piece is the one I just did.
I reckon my day's better. Straight
So
up.
Jasmine's very proud of her little dude.
I don't know which
with
one's
his tongue
mine.
sticking
This is
out.
my best one right here.
Chrissy,
That's your
what's
best
yours?
one.
That's my best one because
Ooh.
this is the
Is
first
it
one. This is
actually
the
not?
last one I ever did. It's my
Yeah.
best.
If you pick that one, then
Very
mine's
nice.
better.
I'm not
You
proud
know
of
mine's
it.
better than
Yeah,
yours.
mine's better.
I am not.
You're just a hater.
Is that your best one?
I mean, they're all
Very
the
nice.
best,
Yeah,
but you know.
they're all fantastic.
They are.
It's going to be very hard to judge. Look at this. What a table of colour we have. Alright, fantastic guys. Well, thank you very much for being part of
The show.
Christmas.
See you guys.
But I haven't voted.
Jackie hasn't picked a
Oh,
winner.
you gonna pick one or quick?
Oh, we thought. Oh, okay.
I wasn't done.
Yes, they're not finished.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Go.
for
This
Christmas.
is my crap one.
Cookie decoration
Merry
challenge.
Christmas.
Okay, so my top 3. I don't know.
No, first you have to pick a team that won, and
No,
then you pick.
I don't know who made what, other than Vlad and Tasha, what they just put on the table.
Mine.
So my
Don't point.
So my top 3 are.
Don't lie to yourself, Jack.
Don't lie. Just
Okay.
listen to yourself, guys.
Oh, this is bad.
You want to pick all mine? Just do it.
Okay, well I like that one.
Thank
In
you.
what place?
Oh.
I'm just top 3. I don't care. So I like that one.
Yep.
So that was Natasha's,
I
yeah?
like that one.
Oh!
I'll go
Jasmine?
top 4. I'll go top 4.
Oh, you're a sucker.
Yeah, I know.
She was going to choose Vlad, and then Chris said,
Yeah, that's
No!
Vlad.
Okay, I don't care. I lost.
And-
It's okay.
I think I know it's not, I'm Christina.
That one.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
They're my top 4.
Very nice.
I didn't even
Well, there
see
you
that.
go.
Okay, I'm swapping it, and that's that one. That one.
Yay, we all got a place.
Oh, looks like everybody's a winner.
Alright, I'm eating
I'm
mine.
clearly the winner.
Alright guys, so happy
Finish
Merry
the
Christmas
last
everybody.